Hi, welcome to MovingMango. I'm Hannah, a certified Pilates teacher and also the creator of the MovingMango method. And today I'm going to teach you a new move that I created for the magic circle. And I already created like a whole workout for it, so check the link above. And this new move, I called it the Circus Lion. And the reason why I call it the Circus Lion, because just like the lion jumping through the hoops, your foot gonna also jumping through the hoop in and out. So if you're ready, let's go for it. And so before we go to the technique, I'm gonna do it one time so you can see how the move is. And I'm gonna sit along the mat and put my cheeks just in front of my hips. Put the one foot on top and the other leg just lengthen. Now lean backward a little bit and chest open. So keep the back in neutral, arms to the front and start to bend your knee. Bring your leg in, the opposite leg into the circle and then out. I'm gonna do it just 5 times each side. So pull the belly button in and relax your shoulders here. 3, good. 2, that feels amazing on my arms and on the hips and the legs. So just so far a great workout. Bring your foot down to the opposite side. I may discount it, but it's okay because I do it myself. So shoulders down to the opposite side, lengthen and then switch inside and then come back and fall. Belly button in, try to lengthen and reach your foot a little bit further. 2, that feels amazing. And last one, and slowly bring your foot down. Oh, I love this so much. Alright, now let's go to the technique. So first, to do this, I want you to make sure that you are familiar with the basic move without the magic circle. And I base on this move. So just sit along the mat, hug your hands behind your thighs, open your shoulders and lean backward. Engage your core and make sure here we don't arch your back, we don't round your spine, we just keep the back in the neutral position in the middle and then pull the belly button in, inhale. And exhale, high your rib cage, like create a flat surface on the tummy. I'm going to inhale, lean backward here. And I wanted to lift your arms up to the ceiling. Now lengthen your leg and come back to the opposite side. This is going to be the basic move that we go from. And after you master this one, we can go to lift both legs up, lengthen. But actually with the magic circle, it's gonna make it a little bit easier because you don't really have to use more of the abs to keep the balance here. And we already have the magic circle to support. So just we put the magic circle in the mat and just make sure that it's in the good position where you don't have to feel your hips reaching out. And so your lower leg is in a perfect parallel position with the mat. And then the knees and the hips here, open your hips, chest open, lean backward. You already feel your arms are working here, even you don't move. And so bring your arms up, or just if you want to make it easier, you can just really bring your hands behind your hips here and close your elbows to the back, and that's gonna be perfect modification if you are a beginner. If you have worked out with me for a while, of course you want something a little bit more challenge. So lift your leg up. Oh, that already feels so good. Now bend your knees slowly. Bring your foot into the circle, lengthen, and then come back and to the outside. So the key thing here is engage your core and just only lean backward to the point that you feel like your back is not feel uncomfortable and your back is still in neutral position. And if you need more support with the back, slightly lean forward and move the magic circle away, so that way you can have more support. Now we're going to do it together. So arms up, chest open, and knee to the inside, and then come back 10 times. And 10, keep breathing. 9, belly button in. Good. 8. If you want to make it more challenging, press your leg down into the circle. 7, 6. That's good. Don't forget to breathe. Keep breathing. And 4, 3, inhale and exhale. 2, always look towards the front, don't pull your chin up. And last one, and slowly bring your foot down to the mat to the opposite side. We would want to move the circle slightly, go to the other side, so that way your knees, your hips on the same line with the ankle. I wanted to engage your core again, lengthen, lean backward, arms up, and knee bend inside and outside. Come back, and 10 times here. 9, pull the belly button in. 8, inhale and exhale. And 7, good. 6 and 5. You could feel it on your knees, your hips, your legs, and your arms. All work out so amazing. Shoulders relax. And last one, and slowly bring your leg down to the mat. Let go of the circle. Shrug your hips a little bit. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And that's the move that I want to share with you, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you learned something new today. Let me know how you feel about this new move, and I really want to hear your update. If you have any move, specific move that you want me to explain the technique more, just give a link here and then tag the timeline in and let me know. I'm gonna do it for you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.